In this module, we are going to talk about alternate solutions. If the globalization processes keep on accelerating with the same pace, then future governance and cooperation will become more difficult. It seems that geopolitical influence will increase in future. Globalization has empowered individuals to act like states. Information grew more segregated. Information age is not bringing people together in harmony. Instead, their identities are hardened. Anti globalists claim that liberalization, privatization, and price stability are not the sufficient conditions for economic growth. According to Adam Smith, pursuing self interest leads to economic efficiency. Pressure of achieving global economic goals does not guarantee national economic growth. If we see that how the economic process is making an influence on the political decisions in a state, and it is happening otherwise also, and political economy of different countries is behaving in a different crisis situation where system capabilities are working efficiently. They are resolving the economic and political issues more efficiently. And the countries where the political system and its capabilities of the political system are less efficient, they are unable to resolve their political and economic issues on efficient grounds. Anti globalists provide the following alternate solutions: restore the role of nation states, and they should have control on economic activities. States should not act as subordinates to international organizations. It is not necessarily important that global issues should be resolved at global level. Rather, indigenous efforts and local socio-cultural context could be more significant in resolving such issues. In the contemporary world, we all see that big multinational corporations are controlling the world sports. They are sponsoring big games. Either it is a cricket World Cup, soccer World Cup, hockey World Cup, or any other rugby sports. Those big multinational corporations are sponsoring those sports. Even it is said that all the results of matches have always been in the control of those multinational corporations. Therefore, it becomes very natural that those multinational corporations would control the states' behaviors and their attitude. Managed globalization. It refers to the attempt by public or private actors to make sure that the liberalization of procedures, that is, regarding international flows of goods and services, capital, and labor, goes parallel with formal practices. Market players and their governments should be bound to ensure transparency and accountability. Now, there is a big question mark. Any state can hold the practice of transparency and accountability on pragmatic grounds? That is a $1 million question. Alter globalization is not about eradicating globalization processes from their roots, rather, it accepts globalization by making required modifications. It is also impossible to stop globalization. as it is not something physical, rather, it is about knowledge, information, and technology. It is predicted that international trade will increase an other fivefold by 2022. Digital trade will accelerate cross border data flows. It is considered that the states which are not coping with the speed of globalization will suffer, and the states which are coping with the speed of globalization, they would earn the economic fruits.